Hi, Hritankar. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine.
Great. Thank you for joining us, Hritankar. So, Hritankar, why don't you do a quick self-introduction about yourself?
Okay, I'm Hritankar, currently in third year of BTech. I'm doing my BTech from IIM, and that's in Kolkata. And my
Okay.
stream is Electronics and Communication Engineering. So I'm passionate about coding and Python and those kind of technological things. And so my focus right now is on coding. So right now I'm working on Python as my main language to code. And apart from that, I'm a sports enthusiast and I like watching sports, and that's another passion area for me.
Okay. So, in short, you're a techie guy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Hritankar, what is the topic that you have chosen for today, and any reason why I have chosen this specific topic?
I've chosen the topic implementing new technologies in companies, and what are the problems we face while implementing the new technologies and how can we overcome them. So, being a tech guy, as you mentioned me, or being a tech lover, uh, as the time changes, there are numerous new technologies coming. Each and every month, year, there are numerous new technologies coming. So, a company to do well, they will have to implement the new technologies.
Right.
So, the topic I was interested in that topic because to know that there are few challenges. Like we may seem it as a very easy part that okay, new technology has came, but to implement it and to get going with that, that's with that huge workforce to make everyone understandable. So I chose that topic and how can we overcome those challenges. So that's also a very interesting topic to discuss.
Great. So, what do you think would be the challenges when you implement a new HR technology in an organization?
So basically, what happens in HR companies, there are two very old technologies that every companies are using. That is HRIS and ATS, Applicant Tracking System and Human Resource Information System.
Hmm.
So what happens is companies or the employees don't really want to shift to new technologies with the fear of new that they don't want to explore any such new technologies. Another big concern is that there's a data security issue that when HR companies are transforming to new technologies, the whole database will be shifted and whole data will be important data will be a part of it. So that's a major concern. And another thing is new technologies. For example, if I mention Kronos here, that's a workforce management system. So that keeps the schedule and the plannings and that does all of that. They are not very easy to integrate with the existing system. Suppose a company today has an HRIS, the Human Resource Information System, and they want to integrate Kronos or any other workforce management system to the existing system. It's not very easy to integrate. So these are the few challenges. And yeah, so another challenge could be like many companies are using HR chatbots, but the thing is, according to some surveys, that employees don't really rely on that chatbot because it has very limited power or limited role to do. So why would someone use a AI based HR chatbot for their work? So these are the new technologies that are coming, like the workforce management system apps like Kronos. So these are very new technologies, the AI chatbots or some AI tools, the cost of new technologies. For example, if an AI tool is being used for a candidate resume analysis or a online chat-based interview, so these AI tools are very costly. So that's also a challenge. That why will a company spend so much on AI tools when they do have experienced employees who can do that same job? So these are the main challenges.
Right, understood. Great. Also, I believe that you're currently working in a project which involves the research of ATS and certain other HRIS platforms. So, what are your findings till date? Like, I mean, in a one word or a two word, if you could briefly note your findings, what would that be? Like,
My finding would be that the future of HR companies, they will be very much dependent on RP, robotic process automation. So what happens is in HR companies or any other company, there are many roles that are repetitive, that happens every month, like the payroll distribution, the employee database management, and any other survey type of work which are very repetitive and you have to do them every month. So the new technology which has come is RPA, robotic process automation, and companies have started using it. So what that technology will do is that for each month, when you set the date for it and
hmm,
you give the data, they will do the job, and that can be transferring the money or doing something additional to the database if you can set it like way. So I've come across that as a new technology, RPA, and I was new to it. I didn't know much about it, but I got to know about RPA while researching about HR companies. So that's something I learned. And another thing is there are numerous chatbots which are helping new companies to do some
okay.
good jobs. So, for example, Olivia by Paradox. So that's a very successful chatbot, and the model is being praised worldwide. So that's also I've learned that how new technologies are coming and how companies are evolving with these new technologies.
Right. I mean, today the world is evolving. Every day there is something newly invented, and yeah, so we will also have to go along with it.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyways, thank you so much, Ritanka, for the insightful conversation. So all the best to you and all your research findings and your future endeavors.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.